This video was taken in Asheville, North Carolina 3 days ago before the flooding, and you have 4 or 5 black bears 40 feet up a tree. This is looking biblical. They knew something big was coming, and then of course we had massive widespread flooding.
While this is absolutely mind-boggling to most people, this really shouldn't surprise us. Something very similar happened 20 years ago during the Indian Ocean tsunami. The tsunami took over 230,000 human lives, but interestingly, most of the animals escaped and survived. It's the same reason why birds fly south for the winter at the perfect time, or why your dog might be waiting for you at your door before you even arrive home. Animals have a strong sense of intuition. They just know. They intuitively recognize dangers, food sources, and everything else that's important for their survival. Now, the really cool part is that we have this ability too. However, as most of us grow older, we lose our ability to tune into it. The 1960s NASA study was a perfect example of this. The study found that 98% of 5-year-olds were geniuses, but by the time they became adults, only 2% of them were. This is because our education system programs us. 5G, Wi-Fi, and EMFs are interfering with our body's natural energy fields. Processed foods are dulling our senses and creating imbalances in our bodies, and our tap water is calcifying the very part of our brain that's linked to our intuition and awareness. Now, by no means am I calling myself an enlightened genius, but I do teach this stuff in greater depth inside my communities. If you want to learn how, just comment the word intuition and I'll give you access.